All right. So good. So Shweta, nice to connect with you.
Yes.
So we'll just begin with the introduction part first. So थोड़ा सा introduction बताओगी तुम कहाँ से हो क्या करती हो क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है थोड़ा सा मुझको जरा
Okay.
बताओ.
Dr. Shweta Pandey. I work here in Raipur district in my own nursing home, that is Sanjeevani Hospital. I am a mother of two girls, and I've recently joined with Dr. Prashant for this weight management program.
बहुत
Uh,
बढ़िया. तो
yeah,
तुम्हारे
on
बच्चे कितने बड़े जरा बताओगी क्या? How old are your kids?
My elder daughter is 4 years old and younger one is 1 year, 3 months old.
और तुम्हारा प्रोफेशन क्या मीन्स ये
I'm general medicine physician.
जनरल मेडिसिन फिजिशियन. ऑल राइट फाइन. सो श्वेता, दिस व्हाट्स योर करंट एज राइट नाउ?
35 years.
35 years. ओके. सो मुझे जरा बताओगी यू हैव कम टू अस फॉर वेट लॉस. सो थोड़ा सा मुझको जरा बताओगी क्या तुम्हारे क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थे व्हेन बिफोर यू गॉट स्टार्टेड विद अस?
Uh, it was very difficult for me to start with the diet, and along with that, it was very difficult for me to find time for workout also.
वेरी
And I was lacking the motivation to work
करेक्ट.
and to work on my diet and work on my weight.
करेक्ट. तो तुम्हारा एक तो टाइम नहीं था तुम्हारे पास वर्कआउट्स करने के लिए, ठीक है, यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद द डाइट पार्ट, ठीक है, यू आर ऑल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग विद योर वेट. करेक्ट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ओवरवेट डिड यू हैव एनी अदर हेल्थ challenges?
Rest, I was suffering from recurrent UTI and some skin infections like tinea.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
गॉट गॉट इट फाइन. एंड मुझे जरा बताओगी श्वेता कि अभी कितना टाइम हुआ है सिंस द टाइम यू हैव गॉट स्टार्ट?
I've connected with Dr. Prashant for first time in I think end of September,
करेक्ट.
and I started with my diet from 9th October.
ऑल राइट. 9th, अच्छा 9th अक्टूबर से चालू किया एंड
Okay.
टुडे इज लाइक 22nd ऑफ
22nd
नवंबर.
November.
ओके, सो इट इज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 months अभी.
1.5.
हाँ, कंप्लीट होने को आए हुए हैं. सो गुड. सो मुझे जरा बताओगे क्या कि व्हाट रिजल्ट्स हैव यू गॉट विद इन दिस 1.5 months?
Actually, earlier when I used to come back from hospital, I used to be very lazy. I just laid down and I used to have cravings. Now, after coming, I have my tea and then I start working. I start walking, not at working, but start walking here and there so that my steps are completed at least. Then I prepare my own dinner at night. Earlier, it was like है prepared है तो खा लूंगी नहीं तो फिर order हो जाएगा बाहर से ऐसा type का.
स्विगी
But now
जोमेटो.
I prepare my dinner. My
गुड. गुड.
so I'm feeling more energetic actually.
एब्सोल्युटली.
And
सो तुम्हारा एनर्जी लेवल्स तुम्हारा जो है वो चेंज हो गया एंड यू आर फीलिंग मच बेटर नाउ कंपेयर टू
yeah,
व्हाट इट वाज अर्लियर.
yeah.
करेक्ट. ठीक है. सो ये एक चेंज तुमने देखा हुआ है. दूसरा मुझे ये पूछना है कि हाउ मच वेट हैव यू लॉस्ट विद इन दिस 1.5 months नाउ?
Around 5.6 to 6 kgs. I was 2.5 approximately when I started. Now I am around 106.4 or 3
All
approximately.
right. So almost 6 kgs you have lost in this 1.5 months.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Energy levels have rised up, and I'm sure you must have seen that your clothes are becoming actually right.
Yeah. They have started loosening.
Good, good, good. And this uh, I wanted to know if anybody has given you any compliments in this time.
Yeah, some people who have met me after 1 month, they told
Hmm.
me, you have lost some weight, you are looking good.
Good. I'm sure it must be feeling nice to get those compliments, right?
Yes.
So great, great. I want to also know that you said that you were struggling with diet. Um, so how you were able to manage it now? Are you struggling with diet with this within this last 1.5 months? Are you struggling,
Mm.
or you find it very easy to do it?
I find it very easy to follow actually. Earlier, I was apprehensive about the smoothie part. That same thing I will have every morning. So I will get averse to that. But that's not the case. I'm liking it now. I can have it daily for, I think, 1 year when I can have it.
Very good, very good, amazing. You also said that you were struggling with workouts.
Yeah.
Correct. So
Actually, I
अभी
was
कैसे
not
मैनेज
able
कर रहे
to
हो?
wake up. There was actually, sir, there was lack of motivation. That's why I was not able to find time for workouts.
तो अभी कैसे
But
मोटिवेशन आ गया तुम्हारा?
actually, I have to give that collage na how many steps I have completed, how many minutes the workout. So एक motivation है कि हाँ मुझे
So is
थोड़ा
it
सा
like
improvement.
so is it like Shweta that accountability that you had with us that made the difference कि अगर मुझे actually ये चीज भेजना है और उसमें अगर वर्कआउट का नहीं रहेगा तो
So I would be uh, that means I am not working from my part in the
correct,
program.
correct.
So
So that actually motivated you to get up and do the workouts or do the walking, do the complete the steps. Correct.
yeah.
All right, fine. Now 1.5 months have gone by. Do you still struggle with that workouts thing, or you find it
Mm.
easy to do now?
No, sir, I find it easy. Actually, most of the time I wake up at 6:30. You have actually told me to 7:30 wake up time, but I wake up at 6:30 around.
बहुत
Then
बढ़िया.
I start working out at around 7:15.
Very good. Very good.
Then
So you are doing now regular workouts also, and you're finishing off the steps also.
yeah.
Okay,
Most
fine.
of the time it is about 12, 13,000. Most of the times.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So previously तुम्हारा step count कितना रहता था और अभी कितना है?
5, 6,000 approx. Earlier it was
अभी
5,
कितना
6.
है?
Answer abhi actually just a minute. It is 11,699.
That's amazing. And the workouts are also there, right? The workouts are
Yeah.
also done in the morning.
Uh,
Absolutely. And that's the reason that you have got the results. If you do nothing, you get nothing actually. But because you have actually done it, that is why you have got the results. So मुझे एक चीज बताना श्वेता, ठीक है, जब शुरुआत में जब चालू किया था तो तुमको बहुत आसान लग रहा था कि हाँ मैं सुबह उठ जाऊंगी और सुबह करूंगी, मैं डाइट बराबर से फॉलो करूंगी. वॉज इट वेरी इजी टू स्टार्ट विथ?
no, no. It wasn't. I wasn't feeling like preparing my own dinner. I wasn't feeling like drinking that smoothie in the morning. I wasn't able to get up at with a, approximately I was waking up at 7:30 earlier.
करेक्ट.
Then I started waking up at 7, now 6:30 mostly.
So
6:30.
basically, you were advised to get up at 7:30. You got up at 7:30, then 7, then 6:30, and that is how now you have set that pattern. Okay. How is it now? Now you find it easy, or is it still difficult?
So I find it easy. I wake up before my alarm most of the time.
Amazing, amazing. And do you feel that whatever you are doing, and whatever you have learned in this last 1.5 months, you can follow this lifelong?
Yeah.
बहुत बढ़िया. Amazing, Shweta. That's all. I had to, start. Although this is just a beginner's, recording, but of course, we would like to see you lose tons of kgs, and then, after that recording will be a different, testimonial in itself.
Yes.
Any last message you would like to give to people, who are actually, going to get started? They have a lot of apprehension in their mind कि मैं चालू करूँ कि नहीं करूँ, मेरे से ये होगा कि नहीं, मैं करूंगी कि नहीं, ifs and buts in the mind, lot of dilemma. तो उनके लिए कुछ मैसेज है क्या तुम्हारा?
Just get up and get going. Just that.
जैसा नाइकी का एड चलता है, जस्ट डू इट. Good. That's a great advice. Very simple and short and sweet. Okay. And thank you very much, Shweta, for coming on this short interview discussion. Really
Yeah.
appreciate.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.